Hey everyone! Today on the Global Travel Horizons channel, we are diving into the top travel trends for 2026. The travel world is changing fast, so let's see what's next. I've scoured expert predictions, including Skyscanners, to bring you the most exciting shifts. It's not just about where you go, but how and why you travel. From mountain escapes to storybook adventures, 2026 is all about meaningful journeys. Ready to update your bucket list? Let's jump in. First up, mountain getaways are back in a big way. People want fresh air, epic views, and a digital detox without giving up comfort. Think luxury lodges in the Alps or cozy chalets in the Rockies, complete with Wi-Fi and hot tubs. These destinations are now year-round hiking, wildflowers, and fall colors, not just skiing. It's all about reconnecting with nature, but keeping your favorite comforts close. If you crave adventure and relaxation, a mountain escape in 2026 is calling. Just keep an eye on those granola-loving squirrels. Next, book lover tourism is booming. Travelers are planning trips around their favorite novels, walking the same streets as beloved characters. Imagine reading in the very cafe from your favorite story, or exploring the moors of classic literature. It's immersive, personal, and turns every trip into a living story. Your bookshelf is now your travel guide. Just remember, thrillers are for daylight hours only. Sustainable travel is more than a trend. It's a movement. Travelers want eco-friendly stays, local food, and experiences that give back. Think solar-powered lodges, zero-waste tours, and supporting local artisans. The industry is responding with more green options than ever. In 2026, every trip can help protect the planet. Be a responsible traveler. Your choices matter. Cape optional, but encouraged. Tech is transforming travel in 2026. AI planners create custom itineraries in minutes, and AR apps turn your phone into a tour guide. Instantly translate menus, preview hotels in virtual reality, and breeze through airports with smart luggage. Travel is smoother, more immersive, and totally personalized. The future is here, minus teleportation, for now. Until then, let AI find you the best tacos in town. That's a win in my book. Finally, travelers are seeking off-the-beaten-path destinations. It's about finding hidden gems, quiet towns, secret beaches, and authentic local culture. Forget crowded landmarks. Discover places untouched by mass tourism. Explore small villages, lesser-known islands, and unique regions. These spots offer deeper connections and often better value. Create your own stories, not just Instagram moments. In 2026, dare to go where few have gone, and practice your selfie timer. There you have it, the top 5 travel trends for 2026. Whether you crave mountains, stories, sustainability, tech, or hidden gems, the future of travel is all about meaning. Start dreaming, start planning, and let your next adventure inspire you. Which trend excites you most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and trends. Thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.